Nature's beauty is found in its simplicity and diversity, where every plant and landscape tells a story of growth and life. The gentle movement of leaves, the vibrant colors of plants, and the fresh air create a peaceful and refreshing environment. Being surrounded by nature helps us feel calm and connected to the world around us. It reminds us of the endless cycles of life and the harmony that exists in the natural world. Whether it's a small garden or a vast forest, nature's charm inspires us and brings a sense of balance and well-being.